How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Retson. Thanks for watching. Today I'm in the studio with our new Kirby Morgan Diamond. I'm teaching you guys how to upgrade any of your stainless steel helmets with our new stainless helmet handle grip kit. We're going to start by pulling the top handle off. There's 3 flathead screws in the front and 2 in the rear. Alright, once all 5 screws are removed, we can go ahead and separate the top handle and move the helmet out of the way. Alright, now that the helmet's out of the way, we're going to use the flathead and remove the 2 flathead screws that are holding the grip onto the top handle. Alright, once the screws are removed, we can go ahead and just pull off the grip. Alright, next we're going to grab the bottom portion of the new grip and start to install it. We want the front to be fully aligned and seated in the notch. Alright, once the bottom portion of the grip is installed, we're next going to install the mount bar. Now, quick note, when you install the mount bar, you want the holes to line up with the holes that are already on the top handle. Using the supplied washer with the kit, align it with the rearmost hole on the handle. Once the washer's been installed, go ahead and install the top portion of the grip, making sure that the washer stays aligned. Once the top portion of the grip's been installed, we're going to use the 4 screws included in the kit. We're going to apply some Loctite 248 to them and tighten them to 15 inch-pounds. Once the new grip's been installed and the 4 screws properly torqued to 15 inch-pounds, go ahead and install it back on the helmet. Start with the 2 rear flathead screws first. Once the 2 rear screws have been installed, go ahead and install the front 3. And in a matter of minutes, you have an upgraded grip on your new stainless steel helmet. I'll see you guys around.